Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here hanging out with Mathers on the Map. We moved from a site this morning, came into Gunnison, ran some errands, ended up at the Hartman Rock Recreation Area. And it's been a long travel day, so we already set up camp and had some lunch. And I think we're probably just gonna hang out and hope that it doesn't rain too much. So this is a really cool area for just hanging out, dirt biking, hiking, mountain biking, all kinds of cool stuff. Cool scenery, so stay tuned to see what we get into.
Travel far, now retreating. I've longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down.
Just keep going up the main road, and is the pit toilet. And when you see the pit toilet, turn to the left and stop there.
Pit toilet, roger that.
Are you moving now, though?
Moving now, so not this porta potty, right? The pit toilet, not where you made a left.
Correct, yeah. If you keep going up the road, there's an actual pit toilet, and then I'm taking a left there, and I'm going to go up the hill and see if there's anything available there.
Okay, we are going north.
You got a little boudin and rice and salad.
Tell them how we discovered boudin, babe.
We discovered boudin from Anthony Bourdain while we were down in Louisiana.
Yeah. And it turns out there's a lot of Louisianans that visit our town, and they carry boudin at the Walmart.
I think it's popular in Texas also. Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Pretty much anywhere south, I think.
Oops. Making a mess.
More?
You get your Unimog? Yeah. Vroom vroom. Yeah? Is that fun? I'm glad the weather cleared.
Oh, it's beautiful
Much
now.
warmer out than it was an hour ago. It's crazy.
Whoa.
What's up, dude?
Wyatt, no rocks. Come here. They're eating. They're eating. Yeah, which is like kind of sad. Wyatt,
That is
Wyatt. Over here.
Hi, buddy.
Jess doesn't want the rocks.
Put it right here.
She's eating.
I'll look at
Lupe.
it. Lupe, no.
It's not food.
Put your rocks here.
Come here.
Yeah,
Come on.
right there.
Hey, come over here.
No. Wyatt, can you put it on this?
Lupe.
Wyatt, put it on here. Put them on there. Good job. So like, no.
She's like,
I'll take it. Where's your Unimog? Where's your Unimog?
Fresh from the blessed Midwest, I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest, the blessed Midwest.
Okay, careful. Hey, he's gone. No more. Okay, he's gone. Good morning, guys. We slept pretty good here. At least I did. You slept all right?
Mm-hmm.
It was the warmest night yet, and I've got a meeting this morning, so we're gonna have a slow start, but we'll probably make some breakfast after that. And what are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna do a tour rig of this.
Oh, you're gonna do a tour?
I think so.
Oh,
So stay tuned for that.
that's exciting.
Although that might come before all these.
It'll be on the channel somewhere if you haven't seen that yet. Breakfast takes like twice as long with only one burner.
I think this is where we decided I did some of the hardest stuff I did. Remember we had those weird drops?
Mm-hmm.
Are they gonna hit that upper one? I hope they do. Upper into the lower? You gotta make that turn though, that could get kind of wild. I won't even walk up that on my own.
Much less with a bike.
That's a pretty good boost.
Yeah, we do a little control. Nice.
Not bad.
No. There's another one. Don't give it up.
Let's talk about today's video sponsor, Epic Water Filters. We love them because they are working hard to eliminate single-use plastic bottles as well as provide clean drinking water for people across the world. You can shop their household products such as this countertop filter, their in-fridge pitcher, and an under-sink mounted filter that taps into your countertop, as well as Nalgene bottles in 1 and 1.5 liters with awesome graphics. There's a ton to choose from, and interchangeable filters. Made in the USA, they make a tap water filter, which is great for everyday use. If you're looking for something for travel or the outdoors, you can get their Everywhere filter, which filters out more particulates and bacteria, etc. Shop the link in the description below and use the code DRIFTERJOURNEY for a discount. I just finished decorating our camp with these joyful flags. I'll link them below. You can find them on Etsy. Made by a connection of ours in the van nomad community. They have a bunch of different handmade designs, and I really like the ones that they sent me. They're pretty cute. I got kind of a flora and fauna one. There's a Mexican dancing one. There's the owls, and then there's the mini flags. And hummingbird are gonna end up being attracted to these, but they're really cute. It's a fun little way to like dress up camp. You see the
Sneak
deer?
up on it. Get the shot.
It must
Crawl
just
up the rock.
want that water. You see the deer?
What's happening now?
We've just been hanging out at camp recording a video with Mathers on the Map comparing our lightweight Tune camper setup to the luxury Hilt. So if you want to check that out, you can see all of the features that we compare, including off-road capability, living space. You know, we compare things like bathroom setup, kitchen setup, and you can go find that video on the Mathers on the Map channel. We are now going to eat some lunch. I made us some wraps, and there is a big storm coming, so we're going to just hang out in camp and wait for that to arrive in a couple hours. We might get a good lightning show. It is really pretty here. This is a really fun place to camp, and we enjoy it, so we'll give you guys some of the scenery here.
I wake up in the morning in this great blue state. Golden fingers caress my face. Slips through the window on a silky breeze. Dream of life,
Lots of cactus.
plants on the sea.
Come on. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Let's go.
You're gonna go down that way. I'm just coming to walk around the front.
Yeah.
She's my believer, healing all my doubts. A lighted mirror, reflecting out every true potential. A bedrock belief in a elaborate plot. Set this bird free.
You good girl? You good girl? Yeah. Like I'm ready to go down.
Let's chase critters.
Let's go around the way.
Not
Go
that way, girl. Lupe.
Just as fleeting as a breeze. She paints pictures glowing green, and I release them to
Oh yeah, there's no way. It's very...
This is roots look kind of nice. I mean, this. If you had speed gum, maybe this would be the roots. Might get you good.
Yeah. We've stayed here a couple times and brought our mountain bikes, and we're trying to recall which trails we've ridden. Pretty sure we haven't done this one. Why are you giggling?
Hey, bud.
Hey guys, good morning. We've been having a slow morning here in camp. We're kind of packing up to get ready to leave. The Mathers are heading to the airport, so it's our last morning hanging out with them. And I had a quick meeting, so we had the Starlink Mini out. We're gonna release a Starlink Mini first impressions for you guys to show you kind of what we think. And yeah, that's about it. So probably gonna pack up here pretty soon and move on to the next spot. All packed up and ready to go?
Close.
Getting there,
Come
huh?
on, we get the picture. Hey,
I know.
what do you think?
Don't worry, it's not gonna work anyway.
I just said, are you guys all packed up and ready to go?
We're like 95, maybe 98% there, but that extra 2% could be 30 more minutes. So who knows when we have the baby with us?
Blame it on the baby, huh?
The problem is that we are going to a hotel for the night, so I'm trying to pack everything we need in one bag. Yeah. That we'll need for tonight. Yeah. So that's like the struggle.
It's a struggle. It's bittersweet. You know, the truck camper life is good. All right, well, you're gonna go to sleepy sleep.
Yeah, Mommy's even probably gonna take out the baby. You can.
Yeah. You want to go? Ready? Set.
Good girl.
Our children in the rigs. See you in 2026.
All right. Adios.
Okay guys, we have said goodbye to the Mathers. They are headed to the airport and we are going to head to a fishing spot for the night, which is about a halfway home. So that's a wrap on this video. It might be a short one because we tried to spend most of our time just hanging out, enjoying the company of Taylor and Kevin and Wyatt because we haven't seen them in a couple years. And yeah, maybe we'll see them again, I don't know, in a couple years. Traveling together.
You're gonna know where we were. We're in Hartman Rocks, Gunnison, Colorado.
Yeah.